Interactive means of learning is fun, engaging and stress-free for students, teachers and everyone. Present teachers with all the necessary setup they need without stress, and also enables students to digest learning and even learn on their own. Interactive simulation is now for reality. The interactive technology module in schoolBic contributes to add some real interactive visual teaching concepts and phenomena in math and science subjects, and the creation of an interactive science lab. schoolBic simulations are based on extensive education research that engage students through an intuitive, game-like environment where students learn through exploration and discovery. In this tutorial video, you will learn everything you need to know regarding the interactive simulation feature in schoolBic. Without further ado, let's get started. Based on the default setting of your school management system, the system super administrator or teacher will be able to create simulation for their assigned subject. However, in this tutorial video, we are going to create a simulation from the teacher perspective. So we are now logged into a teacher portal. To create an interactive simulation learning environment, go to the simulation module and click on it. From here, you can see the list of simulations you have added into the system. Click the Add from the Library button to start creating a simulation. Search about for the simulation you want. You can search based on the subject, topic, or description. The schoolBic simulation library has over 86 million simulations delivered in math, physics, chemistry, earth science, and biology. The simulations from our library are fetched and powered by PhET, a University of Colorado project, founded in the year 2002 by Nobel laureate Carl Wieman. The PhET Interactive Simulations project at the University of Colorado Boulder to create free interactive math and science simulations. Utilizing the schoolBic simulation module will enable teachers to simulate without the need for registration on the PhET website or any other limitation from PhET end, as everything you need is already integrated with your school management system. You can learn more about PhET and how to use the simulations by visiting the PhET website on www.phet.colorado.edu. Moving forward, you can try a simulation first to learn and understand the simulation. By clicking on the Try Simulation button, a new browser window will open for you to try the simulation. And to use a simulation, click the Select button, and automatically the system will fetch information of the simulation from PhET database. Information such as simulation name, the simulation description, learning goals, requirements, and credits are automatically filled out using data from PhET database. But you apply changes the write-up to suit your own learning goals. Simply edit and write your content. There is a return button. You can return back to the search simulation section by clicking this button. Select the simulation class. Only the student at a targeted class will be able to view and make use of simulations. Select the simulation subject. Select the language you want to deliver the simulation. You can deliver simulation in over 95 languages. If everything is set and done, from the footer section of the page, click on the Add Simulation button to add the simulation. To start a simulation, click on the Details button. The overview detail of the simulation can be seen from here. You can apply and edit or delete a simulation by clicking the pen or pencil icon and follow the prompt. The picture of simulation is automatically taken from PhET database, so you don't have to worry about uploading a picture for your simulation. To launch the simulation, click on the Start button. It's expected to use a big screen such as a whiteboard for simulating display and teaching, while the simulation will look like this on a big screen. It's quite simple and easy to understand the use of PhET simulations. However, there are helpful resources for mastering the use of PhET simulation from PhET website. From the student's perspective, students can access simulations or virtual lab targeted at their class. From the simulation module, the overview is similar to the teacher overview as well, but the students will not be able to edit, add, or delete a simulation or a lab. Student can learn on their own by clicking on the Start button, and a new browser window will be available to the student to launch the interactive simulation or virtual lab. Apart from the student being able to learn on their own, there are games available for all the simulations in schoolBic. The games are pertaining to the subject topic. Students can have fun by playing the game to enable better retaining and understanding of what they learn. Shouldn't every student experience sim? Start creating your own universe and see how gravity affects the push and pull of objects in space using schoolBic interactive simulation system.